All right, what do you think?
Oil.
Nope, not yet. Lucas, put it down. Carter.
What? Spinner.
Lucas, what are we doing?
Making that cake for Mom.
Why?
Cake Mom, because it's going to be their birthday.
Woohoo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
You want to make, which one do you want to make, Lucas?
This one.
Which one do you want to make? Okay,
This one.
perfect.
This one. This.
For you?
I want to do this.
Put it in. Here, Carter, I got one for you. You want this one?
Okay.
Okay, put it in. Put it in. What do you do at the end? Tap, tap, tap. Ready? Tap, tap, tap.
Uh-oh.
Can you put this one in the garbage? Thank you. What's next?
Wait.
What's next, Lucas?
Next is oil. Next is oil.
All right.
Oil.
One for Lucas and one for Carter.
Mine's big river. It looks like a big river.
It does look like a big river. Put it all in.
I won't do it. Instead it needs eggs.
Next needs water.
I will put the water in. Water!
You have it? Carter, watch out. You want water, Carter?
Yeah? Yeah!
Okay, put it in the sink. Turn off the water. No, no more. No more. That's too much. Put it in the sink. Put it in.
Yeah.
All right.
Eggs! Not eggs.
All right. Hold it over.
No, I will open.
All right.
I open
Now
it.
put it in the sink. All right, do the next one.
Next one.
Ready, Carter? Where'd it go?
A break.
Well, here you go. Let go.
No.
Here. Ready? You push your thumbs in a little bit.
This one.
Put it in the sink.
This one is mine.
Okay.
And I
Carter, what'd you say? Happy.
Decoration. Huh? Candles. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? It's Riley's birthday.
No, it's not. You know whose birthday it is.
Mom's?
Yep.
Another birthday from her mom. Happy birthday to you.
Good singing, Carter.
A happy birthday. More. Or you put this one up.
Put it on top, Carter. All right, good job. Let go. Stop. Not all the way in. No. Happy birthday, dear Laura.
Okay, watch out, watch out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, it's not your blow up. Okay, I think we got it.
Yay!